welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so आज मेरा workshop है, so I have to prepare for that, and I have to shoot and edit a few videos as well. I'm not going out anywhere today. जब भी मेरे workshops होते हैं, I stay in the house. Workshop is the priority. So yeah, let's go. I have ordered cups, and this one's very cute. I ordered these from Blinkit. This has Mrs. written on it. Although I'm not Mrs. yet. So wait, I'm gonna show you the package of it. This is how it looks. So there's one more cup going on here. Okay, this is the set of two cups. Looks very similar. This has written Mr. on it with the same spoon and stuff. And the only reason is भैया मेरे घर में कप ही नहीं है. मैंने या तो सारे कप तोड़ दिए हैं, फोड़ दिए हैं, कप ही नहीं. So then I decided कि time to get new cups. So yeah, that's how I got them. And I've actually ordered one more thing. यार ये जब से मैं ये vlog बनाने लगी हूँ ना, the only problem is now my mother knows कि मैं क्या क्या खरीदती हूँ, which is I don't think is working in my favor at this point. अच्छा हाँ, just one more thing that I ordered. So it's a coffee mug. Although I don't drink coffee, but the purpose is not coffee actually. So मेरे office में we have very like small paper cups and all. तो एक दिन मैं उसमें गर्म पानी पी रही थी, and a friend of mine colleague ने मुझे बोला कि पेपर कप में गर्म पानी पीना is not nice. I don't know why. Did I question him? Not really. Did I just agree to what he said? Absolutely. And that's the result of that. So this is for office. This is for ghar. और पार्सल्स इन लाइफ. सॉरी मम्मी, आप ये वीडियो मत ही देखो. रुको कैंची लानी पड़ी। ये सारी एक्चुअली एक्सेसरीज हैं, so this is like a hut full. Let me see, I hope कि अच्छा आया हो quality wise. Probably wear it and then show you guys how this works. फ्रैजाइल है, मतलब जितना मैंने स्टर्डी सोचा था क्वालिटी वाइज उतना ग्रेट तो नहीं है, but I think it still looks very pretty. And one great thing about this is that everything is adjustable, as in the rings is adjustable, the bracelet is adjustable. So पहन सकते हैं, but sure मतलब आप इसको I think बहुत ज़्यादा frequently नहीं पहन पाओगे because the quality is like pretty fragile. इतना crazy नहीं है जितना मैंने सोचा था. This is one, and this one's for me. The other parcels, they are actually not for me. Let me show you. So as we all know कि रक्षाबंधन आने वाला है, I accidentally found something.
Oh, they both are from the same brand. Did not well.
I accidentally found something on Myntra which
Oh my god, I really loved them.
which are these watches, but they look like Rakhis. Aren't these pretty? Like these are like Rakhis, but you can wear them on an everyday basis also. Or if you want to wear it with like some dress or whatever, does the job. So I ordered 3. I was ordering one only for my sister, but then I ordered 2 spare me. So this is one. This is another. So again, looks super pretty. I mean, so good. It looks super pretty. Okay, and then the third one. So this one, this has the exact watch thoda bada, and then the handle thoda. ये मैं अपनी बहन को इनमें से whatever she likes that goes to her for Rakhi. And मैंने मेरी मम्मी को बताया that I've gotten these for Raksha Bandhan for my sister, and she goes like,
बहन के लिए तो नहीं खरीदते राखी, भाई के लिए खरीदते राखी.
well, mom, guess what? Myntra suggested me nothing for my brother. उसके लिए 60 रुपए की राखी ही खरीदेंगे. शाम के 7:15 बज रहे हैं. It's day 2 for my workshop. I have done all the setup that I need. I have also अपनी ग्रीन टी में लेके बैठी हूँ. आज मैंने ग्रीन टी में हनी मिलाया है. And yeah, the workshop will run for 2 hours, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And उसके बाद then I will start planning for the next week because next week is exciting. मैं घर जा रही हूँ. So yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I'll be in office. Friday I'll probably work from home because I have to pack and मेरी flight जो है early morning है. So that is at least what I'm planning. But yeah, next week is nice. Let's get through this workshop. Then I'll be back. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining. These are all my participants. Thank you so much for spending your Saturday, Sunday with me. So okay, bye. Good night, guys. Finally, we are officially done with the weekend. My workshops are over, and now another week starts.
I don't know if I'm really prepared for it, but yeah, I don't think I have a choice.
So yes, that's where I'm gonna close the vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.